you are going to love the 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, running boards, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.